I had braces growing up, and before the braces, I had a lot of insecurity about the way I smiled. I wasn't confident about how I spoke to people, how I approached people. And when I had my braces finally taken off, I was immediately changed and had the best feeling in the world. And that was a feeling that I was hoping to one day provide to people myself. And so I got into working in the field and learning more about patient interaction and how to approach certain situations, and it has definitely created a very rewarding atmosphere for me and profession for me. When I first started my education, I went into mathematics, and I changed that later on. I wanted to get into healthcare. I wanted to really follow into the dental route. I went to the University of Southern California. That's where I got my dental degree. I've spent a lot of time there watching aesthetic dentistry happening. I learned how to give that Hollywood smile and how to really interact with patients. The most rewarding aspect of dentistry is creating these long-term impacts on our patients, right? So we'll do treatments on these patients, and sometimes they're small, sometimes they're big, but when it all comes together after whatever treatment we're going for, and the reaction the patient gets when that treatment is done and they're happy is almost electric. You kind of feel their joy. You kind of create this long-term impact on this patient where you are actively doing treatment on them, and then you get to see them very regularly afterwards, and they're always so happy to see what you've done and how it's come so far from where it started. So in some cases, you'll see patients that don't have the best oral health or just not very happy with their smile. To see that transformation is something that's just inspiring and just drives us to continue to do this on a day-to-day basis and really do the best we can.